Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can switch your accounts in your Edit app. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Edits app on your phone. And after opening your Edits app here, you can see the option of continue with your Instagram. And in here, you can already see your account, which is logged into your Instagram right now. And if you don't want this account to be logged into Edits and you want to switch account, all you have to do is tap on the option switch accounts right here. And like this, here you can see there are the other accounts that you previously logged into your Instagram. And like this, you can switch your account. If your accounts are still not in here, you can manually type in your email address and your password of your account by simply just tapping on this option, log in with another Instagram account. After tapping on it here, you can see this pop up, and in here, all you have to do is add in your username, email, or mobile phone, and then password of your account. And like this, you can switch your account in Edits. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.